Hi y'all, it's me, Miss Kree. I'm back again today with another video. So today I have turkey sausage, the Smithfield, I think it is, turkey sausage, and baby cakes for brunch. Yeah. I have some ketchup and some mustard. I haven't had these kind of turkey sausage in a while, so I don't really remember what they taste like. So we about to find out. Let's go ahead and get into it. God, thank you for this food I'm about to receive. Amen. All right, y'all. So I know what the baby cakes taste like. Let me see what the sausage tastes like. And this avocado on TV comes downstairs, and of course the lumberjack over there snowing. Okay. Oh, I remember these. I remember I used to buy the hot ones, the spicy ones. Let's put some mustard up there. And some ketchup. The ketchup is not open. Kim had the ketchup out like it was open. Yeah, I got it. Like, if you compare it to US life, US life is older, but US is actually older. That's interesting. Okay. It doesn't even matter. I know I really didn't want to hear the whole video, but that's all I know, unfortunately. Oh, damn it. Did you ever say sorry? I think it's one thing if someone says oh, y'all don't mind the ketchup. I think that's why people are still so mad at her. Or like we're curious or feeling bad. The ketchup done popped over here. She did a video on like why I did it, but that made a lot of people upset. Right? It's gonna be alright. It sure will. Alright, y'all. I don't know what I bought a fork so I can cut the sausage. How are y'all doing today? But you feel that way about like why do I even care? I'm gonna scroll through this woman's videos. I don't like pickup. I don't know. I don't want to see she says about someone. But I also don't watch her know about because I don't know how to make up. I don't even care. Okay. Like that's all you do is a video sometimes. I'm gonna cut it from up this way. That's what I'm saying. People who like have jobs and doing stuff, they don't have. They're working. They're not on YouTube. I swear, people on YouTube are unemployed. Have no jobs, retired. Yeah, nigga Kato. I watch him pretty much. Well, every day every time I come on YouTube, I watch nigga Kato. And I don't know if I like to watch him because of, you know, his little meltdowns. Or what? But it's entertaining. Y'all watch him? Maybe 1 or 2 hours a day on YouTube. If that, you know, that's what I'm saying. People don't have endless time. People have to sleep for 8 hours a night. I know some people won't. Some people choose YouTube over sleep. I don't know. I talked a lot. But that's all I gotta say. I don't know. To me, he's entertaining. I need more water. It is salty. Bye. Y'all hear this? Oh, I got some water. And my cup say, drinks well with others. Can y'all see? And yep, that's another wine cup. So, I don't care. I thought I had another napkin. Oh well. How y'all doing this morning? Morning, noon, or night, whenever you're watching it. How are y'all?
Damn it. Just keep on making a mess, don't I? It's alright. It is alright. I don't really got a whole lot to say. All right. I don't know, y'all. This probably gonna be a long video. Huh? I'm gonna have nothing to say. I'm gonna have nothing to talk about. I swear. I don't know why, but I woke up this morning so congested. More congested than I usually am. I blew my nose for a long time. I don't know what that was about. Maybe it's because it's getting warmer outside, I guess. But my window's not open. And my air is on. So, I don't know. I don't understand. Men are just waiting. I want more mustard. I ain't gonna put nothing on here because this is the last piece I want to eat. Anyway. It's only a couple pieces left. I'm gonna give it to Minard. I swear. I told him, I said, I was on the video and you was asleep in the background. I said, you was just snoring. And here we are again today. Same thing. But y'all, I don't know. Never mind. Oh my goodness. Whew. So, did y'all enjoy y'all week, y'all day, y'all time on Earth? Have you enjoyed it? I was watching, it's Nikocado went off. Now Foodie Beauty is on. But, anywho. So yeah. I'm about to go. So, thank you all for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you be notified when I put up another video. And until I put up another video, toodles.